You just need to click on the classic TWS. If you want to import today's trades into Tradervue, then you will see there's a trade log. Then you want to export today's trade log. File, export today's trade log. Then you want to select the columns you need it. You need a daytime price symbol. Check the things you don't need it. Daytime symbol, quantity, price, and action. Click on OK. And you want to save it. And you go to the Window Explorer, open it up. So just open it with a notepad should be fine. Okay, I'm sorry, open it with Excel because you want to move the columns around. You want to move the columns like daytime, symbol, quantity, price, action, those sequence. Just cut and paste. Right mouse click, cut it, and do it. Cannot just paste directly. You have to do it. You have to insert column first and paste it. Just do columns one by one until you have daytime, symbol, quantity, price, action. Delete the unneeded column. And you want to save it. Do a save as. You change your file name so you can go back. Then you go back to your Explorer and then open it up with a notepad. You copy, fix some fields. You want to change SLD to cell. Replace all. You want to change BOD to buy. You change the date format to mm/dd/. and y. So that's it. That's a file you can import into the in Tradervue. Just copy the whole thing. Okay. Then you want to go back to the Tradervue, and you want to import using using the custom generic import format. Just paste into it to upload it. And you change the date to today's day. You should see today's trades. Then you can dig into all the trades you have done today. This is all free. So today I lost big on the TRD, so you can dig into the why. Okay, this is the recording.